know, the younger players out as well as Alex. He's, as I said, a good captain, but... Oh,
no,
what
the
happened
finger
there?
was going up. Greg Davidson, I think, has changed his mind.
Good decision. That was the right decision. Yeah, it's a good decision if he changes it, but we'll see what happens.
So you feel as if he thought it was out and then realised it was an inside edge?
I think he obviously initially thought it was out, and then he just realised that he did get an inside edge on it. So, sorry, have you still got me there?
Yeah, we've got you.
I just realised I had my hand up. I wasn't talking to someone else.
You wait till you see the replay of this.
Oh, yeah.
He's gone to give him out, and his hand's got about, I don't know, shoulder, chest height, and then he's rubbed his nose.
Scrunched his nose, the old itchy nose.
Yep.
Oh, what a clash.
Slip and play. And that wasn't because he missed the ball.
Oh, if you're not laughing, you're crying.
Everyone on the whole ground and in the crowd finds this funny, except for you. Watch the eyes here.
He almost went cross-eyed.
I feel like his execution needs to be absolutely precise at this stage.
That, unfortunately, is the third time this evening.
Oh, no.
He might not get up from this.
He's not in good shape.
Yeah, when your partner's looking quite concerned. Yeah, I think he's in a bit of strife.
The reaction.
I'll just take over the commentary for the next bit,
thanks,
fellas.
Mel.
That's what they'll be, and they'll be in equal second position on points. Net run rate, that'll get a nice boost. Oh, Billy, what's he done? His bat has jackknifed into the turf. He took a massive swan dive over the top. They've sent it upstairs. Just watch Billy here after he grounds the bat. Oh, no, trouble. Oh, trouble, Billy. I'm not going to add words to that.
His head was 5 yards in.
That sums it up for the Adelaide Strikers today.
None for 16 off 1.1. Master, and he goes again, Matty Wade. Brilliant batting. Crowd catch. At last, he loves it.
Jeez, he's strutting too.
I think he's enjoying a big Australia Day. Get around him. Well, that is one Nick Benton, who's played a bit of first-class cricket. So he's... Alex Kerridge, you know that man.
Louis, do you know who that is?
Yeah, Nick Benton, isn't it?
Yeah, it's his buck show today too.
Oh, it's his buck show, so he's had a good day.
That was a pretty tame celebration for him too.
I tell you.
Yeah, momentum now with the Hurricanes, and we've got Kumar Sangakkara downstairs. Sangha, you can hear us now, mate?
Yeah, I can hear you.
No, he can't. He's disappeared.
No, I can hear you.
He's in the dressing room, is he? Jeez, he was all over you at the start
I
of the
can
game.
hear you.
Billy.
Yeah,
I'll give you a bunch
There I
there.
am.
Shazams.
Sangha, can you hear us, mate?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
I don't think you can. He's disappeared. Oh, there he is. He's back.
There he is.
I'm
Sangha,
back.
can you hear us?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
We're going to let him go there, I think. He's
Hello?
Oh, hang on.
struggling a little bit. No, he's saying he can't hear us.
No.
No worries.
Number 33.
Oh, the bat!
Well,
Do you reckon he gave it everything he had then?
certainly didn't die wondering if it was going to get to the boundary. The bat nearly got to the boundary.
There's a couple in it.
We're all a bit stunned there. Sorry for the silence, but that bat has gone about 15 to 20 metres away from the stumps.
Where is Gus the Goose when we need him?
Flem June grabbed me at half-time and he said, "You never believe it." And he got all excited, the renowned zoologist Mark Ward, telling me there was an elephant out on the ground as part of the Bollywood celebrations. He was swearing to me it was real. I was trying to tell him it was a plastic job, and he said, "No, it's a real elephant." What's your summation?
Well, it looked real from 100 metres away. Even Laurie Colliver thought it was real. Our scorer.
How did it go from you to Laurie Colliver, our stats
I'm not
man?
the only
Poor
one.
Laurie.
I'm not the only one who thought it was real.
Yes, renowned.
Was it at Arden Street?
It was. The elephant got a bit loose.
Well, you've never seen a real animal at a sporting event. There's a lot.
Yeah, I just thought the
I've seen
fake
some
eyes.
seagulls. I've seen some seagulls.
Pig.
Mark,
We
but
saw a
not
pig, didn't we, in the
elephants.
Gabba?
Yeah.
I just thought the fake eyes gave it away, June, but you were adamant that it was straight from
I
the
didn't have the
Serengeti
binoculars.
Plains.
What didn't you have?
I didn't have the binoculars. So
But they're just there.
no, but I wasn't
30
watching the
metres
telly.
away.
I was watching it live.
Okay. But it's an initiative that you'd like to see at the Bash, live elephants.
Tell you what, it was a very good imitation. I thought his skin, if it was a he, his skin looked very, very real.
Oh,
Hey!
yeah,
The helicopter.
The man settles out on the boundary. He just hasn't picked it. Jason Sangha. He positioned himself beautifully. He was getting all set. And then he realised he was 30 metres from the ball.
I'll catch this pigeon.
You're in the wrong suburb.
Look at the whip there.
How high did you get that?
Christian. Oh, that is hilarious.
Oh, gold.
He absolutely dropped anchors, ready to go. I've got it. You can see the bowler move about 50 metres.
We were going to call, he's positioned himself well.
He settles on the boundary.
Go on, Lloyd. Charge big six.
Through him. Wrist spin defeats wrist spin. That's the end of Lloyd. Sweeps and gets his third. And if they haven't fallen off, the wheels are now racing past the Adelaide Strikers truck. 9 for 55.
Oh dear. Sammy Harper. Go on, Lloyd. Dan's down and try and launch a six. Well, he did.
I like the fact Lloyd just continued to look where he thought the ball was going. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Just kept looking over mid-wicket.
It's up in the air. He should be gone. It should be a wicket and a dot. Two fieldsmen are coming around. Oh! And he was lucky they were both there.
It was big jam.
Toby with the palm off.
Don't get under the high ball, but all he did was parrot to his captain.
Did Ken think he's need the boundary and he just tipped it to his teammate? So that's a group catch. They can't believe it. Kevin Peterson, radar, that was amazing.
Seen it all, Flem.